Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to create Shopify FAQ page. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So here, as you can see, if you simply head over to your online store, you have this pages section, and using this you can easily incorporate FAQ page onto your front end section. Let me show you that. Simply click on this. You can click on view your store, or if you head over to your pages, click on add a new page, and you have multiple pages already added. So let's just click on add a page, and we can choose this to FAQ and add your content in here, and eventually it is going to be displayed onto your front end section. So simply head over to your front end store and you will be able to see your FAQ page in here. So that's how easily you can add it. On the top you can see we have various pages. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.